Okay. Get me ready. We're gonna stay focused on Carlos and Letty. And that's pretty much it, guys. Okay, we're moving on for now. At least we got something. Something is better than nothing, as they say. Something is better than nothing, guys. So all we have to do is wait. That's all we gotta do. Just like taking candy from a baby. It doesn't get easier than this, guys. Let me tell you. I don't have to be here. Let me make sure I clarify that. I do not have to be here. Okay? I don't. I can easily go. I can go wherever I want. I can go wherever I want. But I don't want no regrets. I leave, I'm going to be regretting that I had a great opportunity to make a difference. Okay? I'm going to be regretting. Okay? I don't want no regrets in life. I'm going to take care of business here. I got things to do. Okay? So I'm going to take care of business here. I'm willing to take the bullet. Okay, we do have a female moving at a high rate of speed. Not sure what just happened there. Alright, she was instructed to park here. Carlos and Letty protein shake business. Attacks continue. Carlos and Letty protein shake business. Attacks continue. She was instructed to park here. Look at how quickly, the speed this female has. Carlos and Letty protein shake business. Once again, attacks continue. Second character witness says, among their clientele. No business. That female has no business parking here, guys. Look, she just parked there. That's her vehicle right there. That's her vehicle. Why? Because they want me to continually go up and down the stairs, to create family conflict. That's the reason why they were willing to take that risk, because obviously my son is already agitated, okay? My son. That's right. It's called the game of manipulation for this reason. And she didn't have a chance to park the vehicle correctly. You can see how quickly she moved on command signal. And obviously she just parked and she was instructed to leave immediately. She has no business. And we have another vehicle arriving. Hide the vehicle a little better. So we have a lot of movement. We have Carlos and Letty protein shake business. Clientele parking at my doorstep. And now we have another vehicle as well. Okay, so it's continuous. It's non-stop. Remember, this is their livelihood. And now, this individual most likely is a customer waiting to be served by Carlos and Letty protein shake business. So the attack just took place right before your eyes. Okay? We are standing by. Standing by, guys. Okay? This is the time. 10:14 a.m. Friday, July 17th, 2026. We have another vehicle over there as well. We have another vehicle. Okay? Everyone is constantly moving around. Okay, Uber, it looks like a Uber Eats. Okay. Alright, so we do have the female here. Okay, we do have the female here. And, okay, now we have movement. There we go. Running. There we go. Told you. She was waiting for the command signal once I focused away from her. There we go. Told you. Everyone is being instructed to move on command signal. And once again, the reason for this female being instructed to park here, let me zoom out so you can clearly see how much parking space there is, okay? Especially in the parking lot. Especially if you're going to be, and we have more activity over there as well, okay? So let's see what's going on there. We have more activity over there as well. We have more activity And I guess this guy's delivering. Okay, let's see what's going on there. All right, there we go. Carlos and Letty Protein Shake Business. Let's see, is it? Yes. Yes, Carlos and Letty Protein Shake Business, right there. Okay, so she is a clientele, and she parked her vehicle where it's supposed to be. Okay, that's a lot more convenient. Than parking all the way over here for entrapment purposes. Okay, she probably got a free shake for her participation. The game of manipulation, daily plan attacks, entrapment. Remember, my son is overly agitated. My son had visitors. Okay, they're trying to create family conflict, emotional distress, anxiety, disbelief, mistrust, to manipulate my family to call 911. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And the police officers in the area, in my case, Sergeant Porter, badge number 2255, right forearm tattoo, waiting, standing by, set up traps, false police reports, and arrests and order of protection, and document a history of mental health issue, illness. Once the victims respond to the game of manipulation, daily plan attacks, entrapment. And you can clearly see this female is being instructed to park a certain way. She has no business parking here, guys. The protein shake business is not here, okay? The protein shake business is all the way over there, okay? Right there. And the female parked in the correct spot, right there, okay? The female parked right there, and the other female parked where she's supposed to be. But we did upload the video several times where all the females were parked right here at one time. We uploaded that video several times for entrapment purposes. Carlos and Letty Protein Shake Business. Oh, there we go. A very young individual. He does have a shake on hand. See? Very young individual. Okay. All right. What can I say? All right, that's it for me. We got what we needed. And this is another entrapment. Remember, this female is being instructed to park here. She could be also playing a role of a female in distress, being instructed to act a certain way and call 911. That an individual is harassing her with a camera in public view. Okay, so most likely this is they're trying to, it could go either way. Okay, but for right now, they're trying to instigate my son in the first floor to respond by calling 911. Okay, so you guys saw clearly how this female was instructed to walk as quick as possible once I focused away from what was going on underneath my window. Okay, this military-grade technology is set on the victim's eye scope. So go figure. They're very aware of my location and activities and where my eyesight is focused on. That's it. Let's see if the phone continues to be attacked. Nope, the phone is working just fine. Oh, this phone was shut down. Let's see why. Let's see. 10:19 a.m. Friday, July 17th. Let's see if the phone has a reason for being shut down. Nope, nothing wrong with the phone. The phone was shut down because you can clearly see the female from right here. See that? That's the reason why the phone was shut down, because we can see her on video right here. Okay? That's the reason the phone was shut down. Told you. Told you. See that? What can I say? What can I say? Another attack on the phone. And this pretty much broke the record today. Okay? We're still waiting for more Tennessee officials to arrive and police officers. They seem to be exhausted at this point, okay? We can do this all day. I have no problem doing this all day, but I got things to do, okay? I got things to do, guys. Obviously, this latest attempt was targeting my son in the first floor, okay? He has no idea, okay? This is social acting. And remember, there's a reason for the bright light harassment right here, okay? This is for documentation. Ah, there we go. We have movement. Look at how quickly these individuals, let's see what's going on back there. There's movement back there. There he is. Oh, he's being instructed to go toward the front. Look at that. Oh, no. All right. He's just doing his regular yard work. Okay. Homeowner Martinez has lost a lot of weight. And you can imagine what this individual is going through. Okay? He's putting his whole family and he's jeopardizing his whole family. Because if this organization goes down, so does the Martinez family. Okay? Everyone at stake in this criminal organization. He just got real quiet. He just got real quiet. You're listening to me. You're listening to me. They were trying to make me go downstairs. That's the reason that vehicle was instructed to park there. That's the reason. On video. On video. It got real quiet. Nothing wrong with the phone. Alright, moving on, guys. That's it. Moving on. 10:23 a.m. Friday, July 17, 2026. We got what we needed, guys. A little more information. And hopefully we can get people involved. Especially when there's children involved here, guys. It is worth your time and effort. And obviously, Carlos and Letty are doing extremely well. Extremely well, guys. That is it. We're going to stay focused on... It could go either or. Either or. But it seems like Carlos and Letty are the ones that are going to be doing the most work today. Okay, Carlos and Letty. I'm going to be focused over here. And let's see what we can do. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. That's it. I guess that's it. I don't see no movement. I don't see no movement. I don't see no movement. Community gang stalking. Bingo. post office. Oh, the Candyman is in the house. The Candyman is parked all the way over there. That's the Candyman right there. That's the Candyman right there. And we also have the mob, Board of Education District 99, female employee in the house. The female black Mercedes-Benz. And I guess that's it. Okay. This is where I live at. I was able to sneak out. My son is watching TV. Or he's working. He works from home from time to time. Alright, we got the information we know it. We needed. Most likely this female doesn't even have an idea what she's involved in. Okay? For a free shake, hey, she's being instructed, park in front for a free shake, and she did it. But we do have her information. I guess that's her job. She does have a special permit as far as staff. So she will be looked at in a whole different demeanor. She is involved in criminal activity. Parking at my doorstep, and she got caught. And this mail carrier is also involved in criminal activity. We do have him on February 27, 2026, engaging with individuals that continues to be eluding our surveillance. So we do have this post delivery person on video. February 27, 2026, Friday at 3 p.m. And my brain is being attacked as I'm giving you a play-by-play and the bright light harassment. So this post office deliverer is involved in criminal activity, adjusting his schedule accordingly, and he is well documented already. Okay? Remember, the female now is employed by the post office as well at 5130. The female now is employed by this post office government entity. Okay? That's the reason for the phones being attacked electronically, and we have the phones being attacked again. Look at that. Again. Once I focus, and nothing wrong with the video, see? Nothing wrong with the phone. It is being attacked. It is being attacked. Now, the reason they're a little more upset now is because now we have the credentials of this female right here, okay? She has a special permit for staffing. This is not a regular female. She is, that's her work, okay? As state, okay? So now she will be looked at on social media in a whole different demeanor. Just like Carlos and Letty Protein Shake Business. Just like this individual at 5132, serving customers at an indoor-outdoor recreational facility golf course. Just like this female, now working for the post office, hiding from camera view. Okay? So we got everything we needed. Okay? I had to sneak out because I'm trying to avoid family conflict. Okay? So I snuck out, and we were able to get this important information regarding this female right here. Okay? She may or may not know what she's involved in. Of course not. Okay? All right. We did good. 10:30 a.m. Friday, July 17th, 2026. At least we got something. At least we got something. Something is better than nothing. That's what they say. Okay. I hope Town and Sister officials did not forget about me. Alright, I got things to do. I'm gonna take a shave. I gotta look good. I gotta represent, guys. That is it for me. And we're gonna stay focused and see what else we can get. See what else we can get, guys. Bam, bam, bam. That's it. Not much we can do, guys. We're gonna have to chill out. We're gonna have to chill out for now. Bam, bam, bam. Next wife should be arriving early. It cannot be by the window. Nothing we can do, guys. We tried. I got big shade. Alright, we're gonna have to be a little more discreet, guys. We do not want to rock the boat. A little more discreet, guys. Because if I'm by the window, there's not gonna be no action. Okay. Gotta chill out. Gotta chill out, guys. Okay. That's it. Alright. Taking a shave. I gotta look good. I gotta represent, guys. I gotta look at the light. People are gonna be like, what happened to you? Good. Everything's moving along. We've got a little bit more information. So right now we gotta chill. Next flight should be arriving shortly. Now on the off the phone. Nothing we can do. Chilango. Standing by. Uh-oh. Mail carrier just threw the mail right there, and the dog is licking it. The dog's like, what is that? If you're gonna throw me something, throw me a bone. I don't want no envelope. Standing by. We are focused. This individual is returning back. Seems like a normal individual. And obviously, he has a purpose for parking there. There's no parking over there. See that? So he gets a free pass. Good for him. He gets a free pass. But this female over here, Carlos and Letty Protein Shake Business, right here. On video, guys. We're standing by. Now, we know. Now we know. All we have to do is wait. You guessed it. That's all we gotta do. Just like taking candy from a baby, guys. It doesn't get easier than this, let me tell you. It doesn't get easier than this. So we're gonna have to chill and wait. Chill and wait. Right here. We're gonna be right here. Right here. Waiting patiently, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Full. Yep, full. Normal activity. Normal activity. Alright, don't really see anything. We're gonna have to chill out. Bada bing, bada boom. a waiting game. Standing by. Carlos and Letty Protein Shake business is doing pretty well. That's what they say. I don't know. I could be wrong. We're standing by. Standing by. Getting ready. Getting ready. Boom, bada, boom. Here we go. We do have Homeowner Martinez. Getting ready. Homeowner Martinez has been deployed. So we are getting ready with Homeowner Martinez. We are getting ready. Homeowner Martinez has been deployed. It's a clear indication there's going to be activity. We're getting ready. Very sure. Ready. Time to get the party started. It's time to get the party started, guys.